Hi, this is Joseph Bloxon, with Bloxon Sales and Construction. Right now, I've been talking to clients. They've had issues with finding their dream home, and me and my lender, Tori, have some solutions for you guys. Tori, would you like to take it over?
Sure. So everyone, I know that Joe's clients, and we've been talking about our clients are having, trouble. Hey, this isn't the exact house I want. This isn't the exact bathroom I want. It's not the exact amount of bedrooms I want. And they'll tend to wait for that home. Problem with that is home prices keep raising and raising and raising. So as you're waiting to find your dream home and it doesn't come along, you're losing the appreciation and the wealth. So Joe and I put together a program since Joe is a very avid investor himself, a realtor himself, and also is a builder. We created a one-stop shop for you guys to be able to see a particular house and maybe not pass on it. And Joe, maybe you can share the difference when some of your clients see, oh, it just needs a bathroom or it needs something bigger like a whole addition or a roof or something. Maybe you can share a little bit about some of our solutions for that.
Yeah, so basically, let's say you walk, some of my clients have walked into a home and said, "Oh, I don't like this kitchen, but the space is great. Everything is perfect for him, but I don't like this kitchen." Well, you now that me and Tori have got together as a one-stop shop, we can renovate that whole kitchen for you. As the builder myself, you can do new cabinets, new flooring, new everything, renovate that kitchen yourself. Or if you don't like the bathroom, or if there's something you don't like, now you have the option to make your dreams a reality. I should say. You don't have to, I gotta find the perfect home. Because some of my clients, some I know they wait 6 months to a year because there's shortage of housing in the industry right now. So, but they have found a house, but there's that one thing that they wish they can change, and now you have the option to change that, to be honest with you.
Yeah, and I think the thing that scares people is we get the loan up front, so that builds it for you. So you buy the
Right.
house as is, we get enough money to do the rehab as well, and it's very important. The biggest problem where a lot of people get nervous of these, I think, Joe, is the realtor says one thing and then the builder says another thing and the mortgage
Exactly.
says another thing, right? So now we have a one-stop shop. Joe is the realtor, so he can look at it from the realtor's eyes as well as the builder's eyes and let everyone know, okay, what you want to do is going to take this money. And me and Joe have done plenty of these where we work together and see, okay, can this be done? Do we have to change the plan, turn the plan? And that's a big cost saver for you. You're not bringing in a third party that charges you every single time to redo the plan to meet the loan, to meet the criteria. So
To make it all work. And also with the loan, um, the customer is not paying the contractor out of pocket, which is the main thing. So the bank controls the whole loan. So when the contractor finishes a portion, then a draw comes, and that owner has to approve of the stuff that's been done, and a person comes, looks at the home to make sure that stuff's been done. So it's more structured and safer for, I would say, safer for the client in general, instead of hiring their own contractor out of pocket.
yeah, absolutely great point. And I think today me and Joe just wanted to introduce ourselves to everyone, just since we did find
Yes.
that everyone was doing. Joe's going to have a PDF renovation guidebook. Joe, why don't you tell them where they can find that guidebook? And we'll be
You can find my guidebook on my LinkedIn page. Just type in LinkedIn and then Joseph Bloxon. The guidebook will be right there. Also, if you guys email me at bloxonsales@gmail.com, the guidebook will be right in my tag as a PDF to download.
and keep your eye on us. We're going to be coming back weekly talking about some more details of the different types of construction loans. But reach out to either of us at any time if you have any questions. We're just here to help. And it's not quite the scary process that everyone makes it to be. And a lot of people are they're building their dream home or renovating their dream home. And then they are making the appreciation right away each year.
Right.
And they're making their neighborhood better and their investment better. So, really important. Don't pass on something like that. That's what a lot of people are doing to get the deals nowadays.
Yes, that's what they are. Yes, it's an investment. You're almost flipping your own home.
All right, everyone. We will be back weekly. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks.